49 Roasted pepper dip. Use those leftover peppers to make a great dip. Ingredients: 3 red peppers, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon dry basil, salt and pepper. Directions: 1. Roast the whole pepper in a 500-degree oven for about 10 minutes or until blistered. 2. Let cool for a few minutes, cut open and take the stem and seeds out. 3. In a food processor, place the garlic, yogurt, basil, salt, and pepper. Puree until smooth. 4. Add the peppers and pulse until combined. 50 Middle Eastern zucchini dip. Zucchini is one of those vegetables that is great for dips, main dishes, and sides. Ingredients: 3 medium zucchini, diced, 2 cloves garlic, chopped, 1/2 cup low fat or non-fat plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh mint, salt to taste. Directions: 1. Spray a large skillet with olive oil spray. 2. Over medium heat, add zucchini and garlic. Cook, stirring occasionally until hash softened, about 5 minutes. 3. Transfer the mixture to a food processor or blender, let cool for 5 minutes. 4. Add yogurt, lemon juice, mint, salt and pepper. Puree until smooth. Desserts: most of these are green and yellow light sweet treats. You might see some red lights like honey, so keep an eye out, and remember, red lights are okay in limited quantities. 52 Frozen yogurt covered fruit. Use yogurt instead of chocolate and get a healthy bonus to your dessert. Ingredients: 1 and 1/2 cups of plain fat-free yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, berries, sliced banana, or pineapple chunks. Toppings, optional: slivered almonds, equivalent to 1 yellow light, crushed cornflakes or crispy rice cereal. Directions: 1. In a medium bowl, add yogurt and vanilla and whisk until smooth. 2. Dip fruit in yogurt mixture and set on plate. 3. If adding toppings, sprinkle on top of the yogurt dipped fruit. 4. Freeze for 5 hours, or until frozen solid. 1 fist equals 1 yellow light, 1 green light.